Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Phoenix English. As you know, one of the best ways to learn a new vocabulary word is to study all possible aspects of that specific word and keep a record of it in a notebook. You can look it up in a dictionary and check different definitions and forms that can be used with that particular word. Today, I want to help you learn the verb take. As you know, it's one of the most commonly used verbs in English, having different meanings and usages. Okay, let's delve in. The first definition of this verb is move or go with somebody or something from one place to another place. Here comes different patterns help you use it correctly in your sentences. Take somebody or something to something. Would you mind taking me to the nearest hotel? Remember that the verb following mind should be used in gerund form. Barney took me home last night. Another important tip here is that, as you know, the word home cannot be followed by the preposition to. Now, what about this example? I would like to take my child with me to the mall. As you can notice, take somebody or something with you is the other common form here. Indicating moving from one point to another, take somebody to do something can be used to. For example, I have been waiting for 2 years for my partner to take me to meet his parents. What is he doing? Yes, he's taking a shower. Take can also illustrate actions. Here it is used with a noun. Take a picture, take a look, take a walk, take a shower. In all the examples, you can see take plus a noun indicating an action. Let's move on to the next form, take off, which is one of the most used phrasal verbs with take. You have probably heard and used it many times in your sentences. Like, why don't you take off your jacket? It's hot. Take off or take from means to remove something from a place as well. Take a look at these examples. Take your feet off the chair, please. Somebody has taken my cell phone from the desk. Alright guys, there is more. Take can also be used with time, money, and effort. Several examples have been provided here for you. How long will it take to get to the main square? This sentence means how much time is needed to get to the main square. I don't take much sugar in my coffee. How much money are you taking on holiday? How far are you taking this argument? How far away is this station? Take ages or take forever is another expression with take used in informal situations. It shows a long time. Pay attention to the example, please. It took me ages to sort out all the documents in this office. What a great job. Have you ever sung a song in public? I haven't, of course. It takes courage. Take courage or take guts is another lovely example with the verb take. It takes a lot of guts to admit to so many people that you made a mistake. It takes guts to start a new business on your own. As I mentioned previously in this video, take and show effort too. We all need some qualities in order to succeed. Have what it takes is a quite informal expression meaning to have the quality needed for success. Let's see how it's used in different sentences. She has what it takes to be a musician. It means she's talented, she's qualified. I believe you have got what it takes to be fluent in English. It takes a little courage and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with a new language, my friends, and thanks for watching.